Hey guys, it's Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today we have Jason from MBRP in the studio. Jason, good to see you.
You as well, thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's great to have you here. Now, Jason is from MBRP and we install obviously a ton of MBRP here at CJ Pony Parts. Now Jason, you're from MBRP, so tell me a little bit more about, you guys make exhaust, but what do you do? What is the company all about?
Yeah, absolutely. So MBRP is an emission compliant exhaust company based in Ontario, Canada. We offer exhaust from a wide range of applications: power sports, diesel and gas trucks, muscle cars, sport compact, Jeep as you see here, and yeah.
We've installed a ton of these, like I just said. We put them on the Mustangs, we put them on the trucks. I've ran some of these on my older Jeeps. Now today we actually have a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Willys behind me, and we actually have your Installer Series rear axle back exhaust. Now what's cool about this is, like you said before, this is the Installer Series, and you basically have an exhaust for every style of budget, you know what I mean? So tell me a little bit more about what other options do you have if you want to do an exhaust for your Jeep?
Yeah, most certainly. So this is our aluminized kit, like you said, it's our Installer Series. We also offer this in a stainless steel option, as well as a black. So we kind of offer an exhaust for every price point, every budget, to make sure you can make your Jeep the way you want it to look, and at the price you want it to be.
You also offer full catback systems. I've seen, obviously truck exhaust. So basically anything off-road, we can get an MBRP exhaust on, have it looking good not only, but also sounding good as well. We've got the whole kit laid out here today. This is pretty neat because it comes with dual 4-inch polished tips. It's got a nice center section exhaust, and I like that. That's a lot cleaner than that factory muffler. I'm sure the viewers will see when we pull that factory muffler down, I mean, the thing is just...
Yeah, a giant suitcase muffler.
Yeah. So you're gonna lose a lot of weight too, taking the Jeep on a weight loss program and also making it sound a lot better. So that being said, Jason, what do you say we get this thing installed, see how it sounds?
Let's do it, sounds good.
All right guys, so the first step to remove the factory exhaust, we're gonna spray a little bit of lubricant onto the factory clamp and then remove it using a 15mm socket. The next step is then going to be spray a little bit of lubricant onto the exhaust hangers, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove those so we can remove the entire muffler rear section. Now we're gonna use an exhaust hanger removal tool and just pull the rubber hanger off of the post. Now we're gonna give the muffler a good twist and pull it out. So now with the factory exhaust removed, we're ready to start installing components from the MBRP exhaust. The first one that we're going to install is the over the axle section. Now you can notice this one because it's the longest piece included, and that is gonna come right over to the driver's side with the pipe facing towards the center of the Jeep. That has a hanger on it, which is going to get hung up in that factory location after it gets pushed onto the factory exhaust right over the axle. Now remember, this is notched out too for that factory stud, so it'll notch right into place on that axle, and then we can get that snugged up and put the muffler on and then move on to our next components. All right guys, now they have the over the axle section. Brendan's got the muffler and the tailpipe held up, so this is a dual exit. Basically what Brendan's gonna do now is gonna put the passenger side tailpipe into that hanger location. So just use a little bit of W, it'll go in a heck of a lot easier. And then with that in, you can put the muffler section into the center. It'll give it a little bit more ability to hold it up instead of trying to just hold up one section, put the other piece on. This will hold it all together, and then we can go ahead and put the other tailpipe on the next side. The next step here is going to be to make sure also your clamps are installed before you slide these in, and install the driver's side tailpipe. Now we're not gonna get anything tightened, maybe just snugged up a little bit until we can get everything sitting exactly where we want it, and then we'll get everything torqued down to proper specs using a 15mm socket. Now the last step before you get everything tightened down is to install both tips and get it to exactly sit where you want it. Depending on your stock or aftermarket bumper, you might need to adjust the muffler in order to make it clear and just look the best for you. Use a 5/16 socket to get them tightened up, and then we can go back and use a 15 and tighten everything down once we get the tips exactly where we want them. Now with the tips aligned the way that we want it with our Rubicon rear steel bumper, we're gonna go ahead and use the same socket, get all of our clamps tightened down, then we're gonna hop in and let you guys hear how this thing sounds. All right guys, the MBRP axleback exhaust is installed. Let's fire up the Jeep and see how it sounds. Well guys, we got the exhaust installed, and I gotta be honest, with Brendan doing it, it took a little bit over 30 minutes, so this is an extremely quick exhaust to install that's gonna drastically change the rear end look of your Jeep. I think it looks great here with the rear tips. It's kind of the new thing with the Rubicon 392 coming out. That dual exit now is more prevalent. You are seeing it more and more on the road. So Jason, what are your first impressions on it? I think it looks good. What do you think?
I think the kit looks great. Like you mentioned, the dual tips I think fit this rear very well. The sound's just spot on. It's aggressive, no drone. I think it's the perfect kit for this Jeep.
So I think too with that, like you just said, instead of replacing your entire exhaust, the cat back, everything back, this is gonna give you no drone. It's a very easy installation, and it's very budget minded too. So you can drastically change the rear end of your Jeep. If you're going for some more mild trails, nothing crazy off-road. If you wanna do crazy off-road, you guys definitely have the high clearance kit to do anything that you're looking to do in your Jeep.
If you need it, we got it.
And you know what, with this, the chrome tips do accent the back, but if you want a little bit blacked out, you mentioned before, you can get a black kit, and you can also get it in the stainless steel.
We have options for whatever the person wants to do, and MBRP can be your exhaust of choice for sure.
Awesome. Well, Jason, it's great to have you out here. We love installing the products, and as you guys just saw, it was super simple to do. So if you're interested in checking this out, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com. You can find this exhaust as well as a wide variety for all of your off-road needs. Until next time, Jason, thanks for coming out. I'll see you guys out on the trail.